I have always chased experiences, been to many corners of the India, and tried things while risking my own safety. But still, many experiences were out of reach, and one of them was the vast, deep, mighty ocean. It's 70% of our planet. I had to plan this, and after watching this, you will too. 1 month in Andaman, I don't know what I'll do there. और मैं आ गया पोर्ट ब्लेयर, अंडमान. Welcome to Andaman, baby. I got to know कि अंकिता भी पोर्ट ब्लेयर में है. हम वृंदावन की होली ट्रिप पे मिले थे और एक और दोस्त भी उसी दिन लैंड हुई थी. उससे बाद में मिलवाता हूँ. Man, I think either I'm traveling too much or I've made too many friends. Okay, so when in Port Blair, you should visit Cellular Jail, aka काला पानी की जेल. So guys, this is Cellular Jail, काला पानी की जेल, जहाँ पे अंग्रेज हमारे फ्रीडम फाइटर्स को लाकर के बंद कर देते थे. भारत माता की. There, Ankita told me that many of the locals of Port Blair are relatives of freedom fighters. उन्हें अपने दादा, पापा और बच्चों के लिए अंडमान शिफ्ट होना पड़ा ताकि वो कभी कभी उन्हें मिल पाए, देख पाए. Hi, good morning. Right now we are in the Port Blair and today we are going to the Havelock Island via Marcus ship. And मुझे ship का नाम इसलिए याद है because I paid a fucking $1,000 for it. इतना महंगा Havelock Island. I guess it's a ride of 1.5 hour, but I don't know, man. So Port Blair, now renamed as Sri Vijayapuram, is the capital city of Andaman. लेकिन हमारी मंजिल है Havelock Island, aka स्वराज द्वीप. This island is known for its pristine beaches, crystal clear water, and abundance of marine life. पानी इतना fucking clean है. ओ भाई, there is a snake. No, there are some fishes. भाई अगर इधर ऐसा तो हम लोग जहाँ स्कूबा करने जाएंगे तो वहाँ पे क्या ही सीन होगा यार. This is one of the best location to do scuba diving in all over India. As you know, I'm here for a month and I'll be volunteering and managing social media of Octopus Garden Dive Center. First, I'll be learning scuba diving, and then for exploring the ocean and creating content, ocean is the limit.
But that's what we do. That's just what we do.
Hi, good morning folks, and today is 3rd of December and today we are going to start what we came here for. The reason we came here for that is to learn scuba diving and enjoy the Andaman and Nicobar Island. If you want to dive alone, like without any assistance, PADI Open Water Diver Certification is your first step. Okay, you might be wondering what's PADI. PADI looks after all the diving regulations and related stuff all over the world. We can say it's a CBSE of diving, but for the world. So this is our dive center and seems like I'm a little early today, which is a good thing. First I guess it starts with the pool only. So this is the pool जो सामने है. कल शायद 100 रुपये होंगे और परसों I'll jump directly into the ocean. The journey to this certificate starts with getting to know your gears. These are masks. This is what you breathe from, a regulator. These are fins. This gives you control underwater. It's called BCD. Enough from me. Now let's hear it from our instructor.
You know what this is. So on the surface it helps you to float. Once you deflate, once you release the air from the BCD, you gradually go down.
We started with understanding every detail and functions of our equipments, including assembling it. It is very important to understand the equipment in and out so that you can use it to your advantage in the ocean, and it gives you confidence. After that, it was time for pool session so that we can also get comfortable with using the equipments.
Okay, swim till there and come back. Get 2-3 laps, alright?
We learned many skills on the first day, like losing the breathing regulator and getting it back, removing water from the mask, and using the alternative air source in case of emergency, and many more. And that's where the first day comes to an end. We learned enough to get into the ocean, and that's what the second day is about. That's Ronnie, my colleague and roommate. Okay, I'll also give you my room tour. ओवर या खत्म. एंड मीट कृतिका. सी वॉज विथ मी इन मुल्की. हमने वहाँ सर्फिंग साथ में सीखी थी. And she was the one who landed on the same day I did. But she is here to work. She already knows diving. दोस्त काफ़ी अच्छे और जल्दी बन गए मेरे. रोज़ शाम को मिलते, खाना खाते, साथ में चिल करते. Hey guys, so this is the restaurant where we eat daily. देखो ऐसा है कि इधर मील प्लान चलता है, तो हम लोगों ने 1 महीने के लिए साथ में पेमेंट किया है. बस वही सस्ता पड़ रहा है. सुबह रोज दाल चावल खाते हैं और शाम को खाते हैं डोसा या फिर पराठा. That's our menu for the meal plan. Instructor.
Big man.
Instructor. Full instructor. Now my group is full of instructors. Today's plan is walking straight into the ocean. मतलब आज 2 शो dives है and we will be going till the depth of 10 meters. So guys, it's our second day. Let's go. Ma'am, how are you feeling today?
I'm a little bit panicked actually. Which point को बटन को प्रेस करना है, फिर किसको रिलीज करना है, सब इधर उधर हो गया तो क्या होगा?
Presence of mind is needed. So we'll start from the shore and we'll go जहाँ तक 10 मीटर तक की हाइट हो जाएगी. And it's gonna be interesting. Little nervous, but it's gonna be fun for sure.
Hey, नाक टाइम लगाना को दिए. Hello.
Today's dive sites were Nemo and Jeepwreck, named after the things you can find there. We assembled our equipments and got ready to walk into the ocean.
Try to stay away from the reef. Okay, don't touch anything. The corals looks hard, but they're very soft. A small touch can break them.
आज की डाइव स्पेशल कुछ खास कारणों से. First, this is not a pool, but the ocean. Second, we will be learning some skills in the ocean. And the most important skill of all is maintaining buoyancy. It means being stable in the ocean. As simple as this sounds, this is one of the hardest skills to achieve. You want to be at a neutral depth, not going up or down without your will or dive plan. As planned, we also saw Nemo and Jeepwreck. But to be honest, for the first few dives, your concentration should be on the buoyancy only. It was a whole different world down there. I was thinking about it back then only कि मतलब if I wanted a superpower, I would want this. There is a 70% of world that is left to be explored. So I wanted to be an Aquaman, and now 2-3 months into that thought, I'm here as close to as Aquaman I can be. Guys, words. We want.
I think so good, something different from the normal world. She's pretending to be okay.
Yeah, like she was diving her on her own only, like different from all the people. Cameraman who forgot his job and he was helping him only. He did not shoot anything, I'm sure.
That's what you're not supposed to do. You are always supposed to be with a buddy.
चलो अभी आपको एक सीक्रेट बीच ले जाता हूँ. नो रियली, कम से कम कोई भी ट्रैवल एजेंट मिला ना तो वो तो यही बोलेगा. सो दिस इज वेरी फेमस राधानगर बीच ऑफ हेवेलॉक. लेकिन हम उधर नहीं जा रहे. हम उसके साइड से जंगल के रास्ते थोड़ा आगे जाके शांत सी जगह पे चिल करेंगे. दिस प्लेस इज कॉल्ड नील्स कोव. यू कैन लुक अप ऑन गूगल मैप्स इफ यू आर कमिंग हियर. I'm so sad to say this, but man, this place doesn't feel like India. इतना साफ और इतना प्यारा. हाँ, प्यारा इंडिया को बोल सकते हैं, लेकिन सफाई के मामले में हमें काम करने की ज़रूरत है.
देख रहा है कैसे सेंस कर रहा है. अबे साले गिरेगा, बढ़वे क्या कर रहा है.
It was refreshing. Just what I needed for my big day. Hi guys, so this is our third day and we will go for the boat dive. We'll jump from the boat, go at the height of 18 meters. Not sure why it's not 20 meters, but it's 18 meters. We even got a compass. फिर अच्छे से बैठ के डाइव को प्लान किया.
That's the depth. 14 meters. Well, approximately consider that we'll do a minimum 30 minutes dive, maximum 35 minutes dive. So we'll go for the greater number. Yes.
कि हम कितना डीप जाएंगे, कितनी बाहर जाएंगे और कितनी देर के लिए जाएंगे. Cause when you dive, nitrogen enters into your body and you should keep track of it to get rid of it later.
समझ लो। हाँ, सेकंड डाइव में पिछला डाइव खत्म होने के बाद सरफेस इंटरवल का बाद का रेसिडुअल नाइट्रोजन जो है
प्लानिंग तो अच्छे से हो गई. नाउ इट्स अ शो टाइम. टुडेज डाइव साइट्स वर ट्राइब गेट एंड जुबिस. ऑफ कोर्स थोड़ी सी नर्वसनेस थी, बट इट वाज ऑल गॉन वंस आई सॉ द व्यू.
वहाँ मेरा ऑक्सीजन लास्ट में पता है सिर्फ 10. फिर मैंने कहा कि अभी वेट नहीं करूँगा, मैं जा रहा हूँ ऊपर. दीपक से सम गुड वर्ड्स अबाउट अस.
गुड वर्ड्स.
Oh no, that's not acceptable.
It was really fun diving with you guys.
We were
Yeah.
good students.
Yeah.
Is that applicable for the ma'am as well?
Yeah.
दिस इज़ जस्ट अ बिगिनिंग. जैसा कि मैंने बताया, हेवेलॉक के बहुत सारे इंस्ट्रक्टर्स मेरे दोस्त बन गए थे, एंड दे टोल्ड मी दैट ओपन वाटर डाइविंग इज़ फाइन, बट द रियल फन लाइज इन बीइंग एन एडवांस वाटर डाइवर. दैट्स अ सेकेंड लेवल एंड इट अलाउज यू टू गो टिल द डेप्थ ऑफ 30 meters. Stay tuned for part 2.